Kind of balmy out today, but things are still melting. I noticed from inside that this garden bed has no more snow, and this has hundreds of tulips in it. So I wanted to check to see how many of my tulips could be coming up right now. Making progress on the snow melt. I don't see anything, but I do know that last year I had a lot of tulips being eaten, so I think it might be time to take out the wall. We are back again outside to check on the tulips, which majority of the snow has melted with the exception of all this. Well, and that too. But since this is the warmest area and I've got all my materials to make my wall, let's see if they're coming up. Yes! Oh my, here's some. Hell yeah! All right, it's time to get busy. The very first fence is up and my tulips are safe for now. I can't wait to show you when they start blooming. I have over 650 bulbs planted in my gardens, and I increased that last year by 200. So it's a pretty exciting time of year. Thanks for tagging along. Until next time, love you guys. Bye!